2015 Audi Q3. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, panoramic roof, moonroof, dual panel moonroof, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, tinted windows, HID headlights, power driver seat, power passenger seat. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.